is Google Ads SEO, or should I do Google Ads, or should I do SEO? Those are the sort of common questions that I get asked all the time. So that's why I want to put together this video to help you understand the main differences between Google Ads and SEO. Before I do continue, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I've been doing digital marketing and more so Google Ads for the best part of 2 decades now. So I know a lot about both strategies. Now, the main difference between Google Ads and SEO is that with Google Ads, it's a short to long-term strategy. In other words, you can get your business listed at the top of Google page very quickly. Whereas SEO, which stands for search engine optimization, it could take you months, if not years, to get your main keywords listed at the top of the Google page. And once you're listed at the top of the Google page, the other challenge you then got is it's not just getting on the first page, it's getting right to the top of the page. And that is very difficult. It's a time-consuming task. So with Google Ads, what happens is that you choose your keywords. For example, if you're an anxiety therapist, you can say to Google, if someone types in anxiety therapist, I want to be listed right at the top of the Google page. Or if you're a care home based in Birmingham, you might type in care homes Birmingham, and I want to be listed at the very top of the Google page. And you can get your ad listed at the top of the page, typically even as quick as 24 hours. With SEO, to do that, it could take you months, if not years. And what happens with Google Ads is when your ad is at the top of the page, only if somebody clicks on the ad and visits your website or calls you, only at that point in time will you need to pay Google anything for it. Yeah, so you can start generating profitable leads and sales in a very short period of time by attracting the right customers using Google Ads. Now, should Google Ads be a replacement for SEO? And the short answer is no, not necessarily, because these strategies work hand in hand. So if your budget allows you, what I would say is have a portion of your budget towards your short to long-term strategies. In other words, your paid strategies, which is going to get you up and running really quickly. It's going to start generating your leads and sales very quickly, and a percentage of your budget towards more of a longer-term strategy like SEO, search engine optimization, because hey, time goes really fast. Yeah, so that you might think that hey, I want leads now, but I don't want to worry about 6 months time. But 6 months goes like that. So if you do allocate a budget to both strategies, you know that in 6 months time you're going to, as well as getting paid traffic, you're going to start getting organic traffic, and you're going to start reaping the rewards of potential customers clicking on your organic strategies in order to reach your business and inquire about your products or services. So in short, do both strategies if you can, but especially if you're a startup, make sure that you've got a paid strategy in place so you can fast track success and you can start generating leads, sales and inquiries in a very short period of time. And don't forget, with Google Ads, the way it works is that you've got up to 4 slots at the top of the page where you can advertise your business, and on a mobile, that's where most of the clicks happen. And you can also advertise 3 slots at the bottom of the Google page. So it's an absolutely brilliant way of advertising your business on Google to quickly start generating leads and sales for your products or services. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, so when I do produce new content, you'll be the first to be notified. I'd love to hear from you. Put your comments in the descriptions below to tell me what your experience is, or what type of strategies you have used for your business to help it grow. If you've got any more questions about Google Ads or SEO, put them in the description below. In the comments below, you've also got a link to download my free Google Ads ebook, which is packed of information on how to set up a successful Google Ads campaign right from day one. Take care, guys, and see you soon. Bye bye for now.